Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can you use Zelle to pay Venmo? I'm going to start by giving you a quick answer, and then I'll go into more detail about how it works. So, the short answer is yes, you can use Zelle to pay Venmo. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. What is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that is offered by a number of banks and credit unions. It allows you to send and receive money from friends, family, and businesses. What is Venmo? Venmo is also a peer-to-peer payment service. It is owned by PayPal and is used by millions of people around the world. How to use Zelle to pay Venmo? Here are the steps you need to follow to use Zelle to pay Venmo. Open the Zelle app on your phone. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Select the Pay button. The recipient will receive a notification that they have a Zelle payment pending. They will need to accept the payment in order for the money to be transferred to their account. Things to keep in mind. There are a few things to keep in mind when using Zelle to pay Venmo. You can only use Zelle to send money to people who have a Zelle account. There is a limit to the amount of money you can send in a single transaction. There are fees associated with using Zelle. Pros and cons of using Zelle to pay Venmo. There are both pros and cons to using Zelle to pay Venmo. Pros. It is a fast and easy way to send money. It is secure. There are no fees associated with using Zelle. Cons. You can only use it to send money to people who have a Zelle account. There is a limit to the amount of money you can send in a single transaction. You need to provide your bank account information to use Zelle. So, can you use Zelle to pay Venmo? Yes, you can. However, there are a few things you need to keep in mind before you do. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.